Good morning, guys. My name is Joseph Omoyo Sonko. I'm a logistics expert. I've been in the field for the last 15 years. Today, I've decided to take you through the process of inbound or receipt. Whenever you are expecting to receive a consignment, there is crucial information that you are supposed to supply it to you by either the customer or the supplier. You are supposed to be supplied with details of the container, by so saying, I mean container number, vehicle registration number, and the seal number. This is to help you not to offload items that are meant for another client, and by mistake you find yourself offloading. Again, you are supposed to be supplied with details of the driver. These details include the phone number and the two names of the driver, also not forgetting the ID number. On receiving this crucial information, use it to book the same information into the system. Remember, it's 24 hours. When 24 hours elapse, a message is supposed to pop in showing that you are supposed to receive a container. Containers arrived at your doorstep. I've used SAP or SAP for quite a long time now, and I can refer it to anybody across the globe. It's one of the best systems ever. Once you are done with this, when a vehicle now arrives, just check with the details that you used to book, confirm the container number. If it's okay, the seal number is okay, just go ahead to cut the seal. On cutting the seal, you open. On opening, confirm that the items are properly arranged in the container. Arrows should be pointing downwards or facing downwards, while in the real sense they are supposed to be facing upwards. By so saying, it means items have been arranged upside down. And if it does happen, then expect to have damages. If you discover that, just take photos and do an email to the supplier and the customer. By so doing, you could have exonerated yourself from liability that the items were damaged in the process of offloading. Once you are done with this, do the FQC, quality checks. Check the moisture content of the container. Does the container leak? If it leaks, then it means that there will be some items you find in the container that have been rained on, which is quite dangerous. Upon doing all these, start offloading. Offload items similar SKUs together, that's part number, part description, similar technological families together. Once you are done, confirm that the number of units indicated on the outside box, they're the same number of items that are in that box. So you confirm each and every box. The only way you can do that is to use an RF scanner. You scan each and every serial number that is checking into your warehouse. You scan in and later you scan out. By so doing, once all this is done, you do put away. Put away is the process between receipt and storage into the warehouse. Once you've confirmed physical versus paperwork, everything is tallying, you do a GRN. Do it in 2 copies, share one with the supplier or rather the customer, as you retain one in your file for reference purposes. Once you are done with that, you now let the system show you where you are supposed to store items. Remember, in this case, at this time and era of the year, it's not an individual supposed to decide where to store items received. It's a system that's supposed to show you where to store your items, in which warehouse, under which rack number, which beam number, which pallet position, and which level. This makes it easier even for a layman. If somebody was to look for a particular item, you just go into the system, you check, and the system will direct you where to find that particular item. I thought it wise to share this crucial information. No, there's several or thousands of graduates graduating on yearly basis. This is a crucial information. What we learn in college or university is theory. So you need to translate it into a really business environment. For the short clip that I've done, that's how we are supposed to do inbound. And remember, each and every item that is supplied into the warehouse, the client is supposed to supply you with the MSDS of every SKU. Material safety data sheet. This is to help you know how to handle particular items if they have hazardous. You just prepare yourself on how to handle them. So for today, that's a short clip that I decided to do for you. Next time I'll do another one for outbound, reverse logistics, disposal, stock take and reconciliation, transport, and more to come. For us to be in touch, you can reach me on 0723 160 697. Wish you the best.